Welcome to Zesty.io Mini Bytes. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create, edit, and publish a page in minutes at scale across all digital platforms. Alright, let's dive into editing our homepage with Zesty.io's WYSIWYG Editor and Freestyle Page Designer. We'll begin by incorporating some images from Zesty's Cloud Digital Asset Manager and adding text components to ensure our content is both consistent and visually appealing. Next, using the Freestyle Page Designer, we'll enhance our homepage design by introducing a hero section. The platform allows you to navigate through various components effortlessly, enabling drag and drop functionality for our content. This makes it straightforward to modify the layout, rearrange the text, or update and add new images with ease. Once our homepage is ready, with content that's optimized and visually appealing, it's time to go live. Finally, we can instantly preview our changes across different devices to ensure our site looks impeccable everywhere. Also, with Zesty.io's Google Analytics integration, you can unlock the full potential of your content. From the comfort of your dashboard, access single-page analytics to view essential metrics like sessions and conversions. Discover how your content is performing in real time, identifying trends and areas for improvement without leaving Zesty.io. And that's a wrap. If you want to learn more, visit our website at Zesty.io or check out our YouTube channel for more Zesty videos.